Basil is a wonderful herb. It adds flavor to food, but it also has healing powers. For centuries, people have used basil as medicine. Today, we are rediscovering its health benefits. Basil is full of antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining our health and well-being. These are compounds that protect our bodies from harmful molecules known as free radicals. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can cause significant damage to our cells if left unchecked. Free radicals damage our cells by stealing electrons, leading to oxidative stress. This stress can accelerate the aging process and contribute to various chronic diseases. This damage can lead to diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Flavonoids are a type of antioxidant found in basil. They are especially powerful in neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. Flavonoids protect our cells in many ways, including enhancing the body's natural defense mechanisms and repairing damaged cells. They support our immune system by boosting its ability to fight off infections and illnesses. They can even help prevent heart disease by improving blood circulation and reducing bad cholesterol levels. This makes basil a valuable part of a healthy diet, adding not only flavor, but also a wealth of health benefits to our meals. Life can be stressful. From the demands of work to the pressures of daily life, stress can creep in from all directions. Our bodies need help to cope. Finding ways to manage stress is essential for maintaining our overall well-being. Basil can be that helper. It has adaptogenic properties that make it a powerful ally in the fight against stress. Adaptogens help our bodies adapt to stress by regulating our stress response and promoting a sense of calm. They bring our bodies back into balance, helping to stabilize our physiological functions. Think of basil as a calming agent. Its soothing properties can help you feel more centered and relaxed. It can help lower stress hormones like cortisol, which can wreak havoc on your body if left unchecked. This in turn can improve your mood and overall sense of well-being, making you feel more at peace. Adding basil to your diet can be a natural way to find calmness. Whether in teas, smoothies, or meals, basil can be a versatile and delicious addition to your stress relief toolkit. Nature's Guard. Basil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory action. Basil's essential oils are powerful. They have antibacterial properties. This means they can help fight off harmful bacteria. These oils also act as an anti-inflammatory. They can reduce swelling and pain. This makes basil helpful for many issues. It can soothe a sore throat. It can even help with skin irritations. These properties make basil a versatile natural remedy, bringing basil home. Simple ways to include basil in your daily diet. Basil is not only a versatile herb, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. It can easily be incorporated into your daily meals to enhance both flavor and health benefits. Adding basil to your meals is easy. Start by washing and chopping fresh basil leaves. This simple step can elevate the taste of your dishes. Sprinkle fresh basil leaves on salads. The fresh peppery taste of basil adds a delightful twist to any salad, making it more vibrant and flavorful. Make a flavorful pesto sauce for pasta. Blend basil leaves with garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil to create a rich aromatic sauce that pairs perfectly with pasta. Add basil to soups and stews for an aromatic touch. The herb infuses a fresh herbal note that enhances the overall flavor of your dish. Even a simple basil tea can be soothing and beneficial. Steep fresh basil leaves in hot water for a few minutes to make a calming tea that aids digestion and reduces stress. Experiment with different varieties of basil. From sweet basil to Thai basil, each type offers a unique flavor and aroma, allowing you to diversify your culinary creations. Each one has a unique flavor profile. Try them all to find your favorite and discover new ways to use them in your cooking. Enjoy the culinary adventure while boosting your health. Incorporating basil into your diet not only makes your meals more delicious, but also provides numerous health benefits, from anti-inflammatory properties to essential vitamins and minerals. Basil is more than just a tasty herb. It's a natural healer packed with benefits. From fighting free radicals to promoting calmness, basil offers a holistic approach to health. By incorporating it into our daily lives, we embrace a natural path to well-being. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.